Okay, so here is another simple problem. We can write fast given. So here is given are steel rod 5 meter long. So length is given. Okay, L is equal to 5 meter. We can convert it into mm, 5,000 mm. Next is diameter 20 mm. Read the next sentence. It's subjected to axial tensile force. It's a pulling. Okay, so length will be expand, diameter will be contract. Okay, so force, tensile force is P 1000 kilonewton. Okay, let it be in kilonewton only. Okay, no need to change. Okay, we will define answer in kilonewton also. Next, find the changes in length means delta L, then diameter delta D, then volume, okay, delta V. We need to find the three of quantity. Okay, take E is equal to Young's modulus is 210 GPa. GPa convert into MPa, M mega and giga. Okay, 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Okay, so we can simply cancel out this 10 raised to 3 because we have to keep that in kilonewton. Okay, so 210 kilonewton per mm square. Okay, then Poisson's ratio mu is equal to 0.3. Okay, solve for delta L. Okay, so delta L has a formula directly P L upon A. Okay, P is 1000 into L is 5000. Then area is 5 by 4 D square means 20 square into E is 210. Okay, calculate it. It will be 75.79 unit is mm. Okay, next delta L. Next find delta D. So for the delta D we can take a mu formula. Okay, Poisson's ratio is minus of lateral strain means lateral strain, diameter wall strain divided by longitudinal strain. Okay, what is ED? It's negative of delta D. So is here we can find out delta D by this formula, delta D by D. Okay, then delta L upon L. Okay, so here we have all the values of D, delta L. We find out delta L, right? Then L 5000 mm and mu is 0.3. Okay, let's put it all in that. So 0.3 is equal to negative of delta D upon what is D 20. Then we convert that divide into multiplication. Okay, so multiply by L by delta L. It will be reverse. Okay, so L is 5000 divided by delta L is we find out earlier 75.79. Okay, so that delta D we can simply find out calculate by calci. Okay, delta D is negative sign 0.091. Please I am giving you directly values by calculating myself, but please you don't write it as it is. Okay, you calculate it by your own with a calci, because you need to practice it on a calci by yourself. Okay, so you will be most helpful with that calci. Okay, delta D we can find. Next is delta D. Delta D is delta V. Okay, delta V we can find by EV formula. EV we know delta V upon V. Okay, we can simply find out the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so we can easily find out delta V. So EV is also another formula of EL plus 2 ED. Okay, just to check out the formula list, you can find out those two formulas. Okay, so delta V is unknown. What is V? V is pi by 4 d square 20 square into L. What is L? 5000. Okay, then is equal to what is EL? EL is delta L upon L. Okay, directly we can write it here, delta L upon L, and delta L is we have find out that value earlier. Okay, delta L upon L, L is 5000. Next, plus 2 into delta D upon D. Okay, delta D we can put it in negative. Okay, so minus 0.091 divided by delta D upon D. Diameter is 20. Okay, simply put this all in calculator, and we can find delta V is 9524 mm cube. Okay, it's the change in volume. Volume is unit is mm cube. So here is second value and here is third value. Okay, you have to write all the values you are getting after at the end of the problem. Okay, at the end of the answer. So you have to write it by simplified it. Okay, so you will get the full marks for the change in volume, change in length. It's 75.79 mm plus 1. Okay, change in diameter. Change in diameter is equal to negative 0.091 mm. Then change in volume. I am giving you also another example to solve by yourself, and please comment your answers. Okay, for practicing well. Okay, next is your homework problem. Okay, it is for homework. Screenshot it. Okay, thank you.